How to fix Steam suspicious login activity. In order to fix suspicious login activity on Steam, all I have to do is to simply go ahead and then let's say I got an email from Steam saying there's some suspicious activity or login activity. So someone may be trying to log in, or they might have already gotten access to my account. So very quickly go to steam.com and log into your Steam account first and change all the credentials and sign out of everywhere, and also turn on 2FA. So once logged in, click on your account name from the top right hand side and go to this option account details. From account details on the left hand side, select security and devices, and here first of all you can add a mobile authenticator. You can get the Steam mobile app with authenticator. You can also change your password, and you can also add a phone number by clicking on manage phone number. Underneath you will see a list of all the sessions currently logged into your Steam account. So if you don't trust where this login is coming from, you can select the option called sign out everywhere, and then you should be able to become safe for your Steam account. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.